Good morning, everyone. Nick and Kelly here. We're on day 3, right?
Day 3.
Day 3 on the trail, and we're starting off in Ouray. Is that how we're saying it right? Correct?
I've heard it 2 ways. So I've heard Ouray and I've heard Ouray. So anyway, that's where we are.
We're starting this morning off on Yankee Basin, and then we're heading over to Imogene Pass, and it is closed all the way through. So we're only going to go to where it's closed, and we're going to turn around and come back and just maybe do some side trails and whatnot. But we're on the trail. We're going to see some mines and some sightseeing and all the beautiful views that Colorado has to offer.
Yeah, and we started our day off at 1886 Coffee.
Yeah,
downtown. Super cute spot.
Coffee's great.
Yeah.
And so we got a good fresh morning start, and let's see what happens today.
Yeah.
I think today's going to be somewhat chill, have fun, but like I said, we're going out and back, and we'll come back and experience some of the town tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
We got again, Kelly.
Damn it. We've got a clip.
Kelly and I are having a just laugh on the trail because hand signals are all over the place with people on the trail. What happened yesterday?
So yesterday, Nick put his hand out the window to just let the people coming towards us know that we don't have anybody behind us, right? And the guy just slammed on his brakes and stopped, and Nick's like, no, I was just letting you know we don't have anybody behind us. He goes, I thought you meant you wanted me to stop.
And then like other people, like the hand, like we're getting, you know, obviously peace signs and everything, thumbs up, but like
there's people with like 2, 3, 4 cars behind him, and the guy in the #1 position will do this back at us, and we're like, no, you need to be doing a 3. You've got 3 more people behind you. Anyway, it's pretty funny.
at the top of Imogene Pass, and we just came up from that side over there, and it's snowing.
It's snowing up here. It's so cool.
Lightly, but it's snowing.
Yeah, you probably can't see it, but it is snowing.
Yeah, it's cold. Let's see over here. Man. Wow. That's the airport at the end of 𝗙𝗏𝗏. And if we kept on going, if I'm not mistaken, it goes, I think it drops down. I don't know if it drops down into there right now. It might. And then it goes back that way. Actually, it does, if I remember correctly. But at some point over there, the road is blocked, so you can't go all the way into 𝗙𝗏𝗏, unfortunately. But man, this is great. What do you think?
This is awesome.
Yeah?
What you can't see from where we're standing right now is you have this view on this side, and you just walk across and you have an insane view on the other side. We're like on the top of a peak. It's pretty amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's starting to snow a little bit more.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, you still see a little bit of snow over there and over there.
Like falling down.
Yeah.
You can see it.
This is great. The last time I did this was in 2019, and we started in 𝗙𝗏𝗏 on the dirt bikes and came through the tunnel that's over there, and immediately it was just pouring, storming. So I did this whole pass in a storm on a dirt bike. So I didn't get to enjoy it at all, but I knew it was epic, and today was the day that I got to enjoy it with Kelly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, it looks like a storm's coming in. The clouds over there.
Yeah, it does.
Let's go over to the other side.
Yeah. Run over to the other side to show the view on this side. So pretty. Where we just came from.
Man.
Getting cold out here.
I think we need to go back over to the sun. This is cold over here.
It is cold up here.
All right, we're gonna head back. Great views.
I thought maybe you could see the snow against your windows because it's dark. Yeah.
So we made it to the top of Imogene, and we're sitting at 13,000 feet. I was wrong. I thought, well, the last trail update said that it was closed at a certain point going back into 𝗙𝗏𝗏, but a Jeep just came through and they said that they made it all the way through from 𝗙𝗏𝗏. So I'm kind of bummed, but we are gonna keep on going back because our trail setup that we're doing is all back on the other side. Nick.
You drove right by the cliff.
Well, it's still,
You're hanging your tire off
I did not hang the tire. I did not hang the tire. You want to see we hanging the tire?
No, I don't.
You want to see hanging the tire?
No.
We'll hang a tire.
Dude. Oh my God.
All right, we're back at the beginning of where we started today on the trail. I've got a hoodie on. I can't remember if you had a hoodie on or not, but if you can hear and see, it's raining.
Yeah.
So the weather has changed since this morning, which is fine because it was pretty fun still to be out. We got to the very top of Imogene, and it was snowing up there like you saw. And now we're back down here a little bit earlier than what we expected, but we just decided to come back early and go and experience the town. Ouray, back there, and go and grab some, well, first of all, we want to go and hit the hot springs because that's what everyone talks about here. So we're going to go and hit the hot springs, go and have some dinner. Yeah, other than that, what was your favorite part of the day?
Oh, favorite part of the day. Although I was a little nervous watching you do it, it was probably the truck driving up on the rock. That was really cool. And then once you get to the very top of the peak, you can actually see Telluride on one side, and it was just like gorgeous view. And then you look out to the other gorgeous views. I don't know, a couple of things, but yeah, so pretty. The views, but the trail was like a little bit more technical than I expected it to be, and there were some like straight off cliffs, so I get nervous with that, but definitely worth it. It was really, really pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, and lunch was nice.
Yeah, we found a nice little spot, little off into the corner.
Waterfall.
Real nice.
Near us, yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, no, this is again just a great day out on the trail. A shorter day than what we've been so far, but that's great because we still got to see things. And oh, and I don't know if I said it earlier in the video or not, but I found out that they actually opened up the pass all the way into Telluride. So that was like 2 days ago, apparently, what I heard from a couple people. So that's great. So next time we're going to try to figure out how to start in Telluride, come here and do the whole thing one through. So
it's raining on us.
Oh, so you, okay, it's raining, we're gonna melt, and so we need to call it a day. That's it for the talking.
It's soaked.
All right, Nick and Kelly, what day is this? Day 3?
Day 3.
All right, day 3, tomorrow's day 4. Stay tuned for day 4, what we got in mind for tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.